In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control the OneDrive sync. Whether you're looking to streamline your file organization or manage storage more efficiently, controlling OneDrive sync settings can greatly enhance your experience. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It's usually at the bottom right corner of your screen. You might have to click the little arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you find the familiar blue cloud icon, give it a click. This will bring up a small window that gives you a snapshot of your current sync status. Now in this window you'll see a small gear icon that represents the settings. Click on that gear. This is your entryway to adjusting your OneDrive synchronization preferences and other important settings. Once you've clicked the settings icon, a new menu will pop up. Here you're going to select the option that simply says settings. This action takes you further into the OneDrive configuration options. In the settings window, several tabs at the top will organize various available options. What we need now is the account tab, so go ahead and click on account. This will provide you with details about your OneDrive account, as well as additional options for controlling what gets synced to your device. In the account section, you'll find a button labeled choose folders. Clicking on this button will bring up a checklist of all the folders currently linked to your OneDrive account. This tool is where the magic happens for customizing your sync preferences. Here you have complete control over which folders you want to keep synchronized between your local device and the cloud. Take a moment to carefully select which folders are the most important for your workflow. Perhaps you only need documents, or maybe photos are critical to you. Whatever your needs, just tick the boxes next to the folders you want to sync. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click OK. That action confirms your choices and will immediately begin the synchronization process for your selected folders. And there you have it. By adjusting these settings, you've now optimized how OneDrive handles your data, making your file management more efficient and storing only what you need on your local device. This can save storage space while ensuring your most important files are always within reach. These few simple steps can really enhance your productivity and help keep everything organized. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to control the OneDrive sync like a pro.